Alright guys, today we are checking out the Audiopipe 6 farad ACAP 6000. Now I had a SoundStream 1.5 cap running and I felt like I needed a little bit more, but I didn't have the room to fit one of those big double size units, so I thought I'd check this out. So you open it up, what do we got here? Alright. It looks really nice. It's got like a brushed finished black housing with the gray kind of cooling fins that Audiopipe's kind of known for on their amps. Looks pretty cool. The mounts are built in, so you don't have like the separate pieces like a lot of the other ones. And two terminals on the top, positive, negative, and the voltage display. Pretty basic. Let's see what else we got here. We got instructions and the bag with the mounting screws and the resistor to charge and discharge it. And just so you know how big this is, if anyone was ever wondering, it's about 9¼ tall. And the mounting brackets are about 5 inches wide, so it's pretty close to the same size as the regular cylindrical ones that you see out there, so it's not much bigger. And for 6 farad it does give you a lot more capacity. So alright guys, have fun. Catch you on my next video.